Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, today we'll discuss about another program, swap two numbers. This is again the basic program which usually asks for the freshers like swap the two numbers. They want to check whether you are aware of the very basic of the Java. This is a very simple program. Regarding the swap two number, in the sense, suppose input if I take the value like 23452, output another variable I have taken 6789. So swapping the two number means the after execution of the program, the value 1 should get 6789 and value 2 should get 2345. Similarly like this. Okay, this is actually the requirement. As I said, there are two ways we can do this. One is by using the third variable, another without using the third variable. Third variable, in essence, we can use some temporary variable to achieve this swapping the two number. And usually in the interview they ask like this: if you use the third variable, right, or temporary variable, that is very easy, straightforward. There is no logic to be used here. But in case of without using third variable, small setup logic we need to implement here. So that's why in the interview most of the time they ask the second way of doing the swapping the two numbers. So be aware of these two ways so that it will be easy for you to get into the interview. Okay, now first we'll see how to do with using the third variables. First we'll see the logics. Okay, if you remember this diagram, so it will be very easy for you to do the first method with using the third variable, right? Value 1 I have taken, and variable 2 also I have taken, and temporary variable, the third variable I have taken. So after execution of the program, we need to swipe these two values. So in this diagram, I have mentioned the 3 points, the steps actually. The first step, what we should do, we need to save the value 1 temporarily into the temporary variable, the first steps. Okay, second step, value 2 we need to save into the value 1, as value 1 already we have temporarily saved here, right? So now one step is done, like value 2 value came inside the value 1 now. Okay, now next step is that the value 2 should get the value 1. So value 1 already we have in the temporary variable. So the third step is that temporary variable value we need to push into the value 2. That's it. So now once you execute this program, so we able to find the swapping of the two numbers. The same thing I have written here. So I have taken the value 1 2345 and value 2 I have taken 6789. Just I am printing these two value before swapping. As I said, we need to use some third variable, right? Temp is the variable I have taken. As for the diagram, first step is value 1 I need to save into value 2, correct? So that I am doing here. Value 1 I am saving to value 2, means temporary variable. The second step is that value 2 I need to assign to the value 1. Value 2 I am assigning into the value 1, and finally the third step is temporary variable I am saving to value 2. So that's it. This is straightforward, as I said. So if I run this program, so you able to find, initially I have taken the value 2345 and value 2 has 26789. After execution I got the value got swiped. So value 1 got 67 and value 2 I got 2345. So value got swiped. This is the first way. It is straightforward. There is no logic to be implemented here. Now we'll move to the next method, like as we discussed here. So without using the third variable, by using this existing variable only. Suppose if I taken value 1 and value 2 without using the third variable, by using the value 1 value 2 variable only, I need to swipe these two numbers. So how we can do that? So that we'll see now by seeing this diagram, maybe because it is without using, not with using, right? Without using the third variable. See, I am not going to use any third variable here. By using only value 1 and value 2 only, we can able to achieve by using the 3 steps. This is step 3. So value 1 I have taken the value as 10, then value 2 variable I have taken value 20. So first step, what we should do, our intention is to swap these two numbers, correct? The first step, what we should do, so value 1 plus value 2, I need to make value 1 value 2, I will assign to the value 1. So initially it has 10 and 20. After execution of the step 1, what we get? So value 1 will get and value 2 will get 20, because these two are added, and value 2 we are not modifying. Value 1 only I am assigning value 1 plus value 2, so value 1 will get 30. Okay, so now next step, what we should do, value 1 minus value 2. So value 1 I have 30, correct? So value 1 minus value 2, like 30 minus 20. So I'm assigning to the value 2. So now in this step, I get the value 2, I get 10, and value 1, I'll get 30. So value 1, already I'm not modifying anything, it retains the same. So half of the target is done now, because the value 2 already got 10 now. So now we should get value 20 to the value 1. In third step, we can achieve this. This third step, what you should do, value 1 minus value 2. In that case, value 1, already we have 30, right? Value 2, we have 10. So 30 minus 20. So I'm assigning to the value 1. So it is 20. Anyhow, value 2, it retains the same. At that output, we got the value 1 is 20 and value swap these two numbers without using the third variable. Okay, let me add the same code here. So value 1 I have taken 2, 3, 4, 5. Value 2 I have taken 6, 7, 8, 9. So just I am printing before swapping these two numbers, just I am printing the value. So as I mentioned in the diagram, correct? So first what I am doing, value 1 plus value 2 I am assigning to the value 1. Value 1 plus value 2, so assigning to the value 1. Okay. So after that, value 1 minus value 2 assigning to the value 2. Value 1 minus value 2 assigning to the value 2. Similarly, last step is which we discussed, value 1 minus value 2 assigning to the value 1. So value 1 minus value 1. So this will makes the swapping the two numbers. So I will save and run this program. So maybe you will get the swapping the two numbers. See, value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got as a output value 2. 6, 2, 8, 9. Earlier it was in the value 1. Now after execution I got in the value 1 variable. So similarly, if I take the same example here, if we go 10 and 20, so similarly I can take any value I can take actually, 10, 20. If I take these two value, so if I run this program, see value 1, 10 and 20 earlier, after execution we got 20 and 10. So this is how we can able to achieve the swapping the two number without using the third variable. For the inter purpose, right, you just remember this concept, that's it, right? So we should use like plus minus minus. So this will be same, value 1, always value 1 plus value 2. Second time value 1 minus value 2, value 1 minus value 2. And here value 1, 2, 3. If you remember this format, right, so you can use anywhere in the same format and we can use any number to swap this number. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe and share with your friend if you those who are looking for the Java concept and Java programs. Thank you.